Welcome to all my dear friends. Myself, Professor Sindhe Devi, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today, I will present a lecture on the teamwork. Here, I can do it. It is ultimate word. You can do miracles. You can fly. You can do like anything. But all times, individuality never gets success. Sometimes you may fail. Sometimes you need support. Sometimes you need guidance. You can find all the above with teamwork. Together, everyone achieves more by the team. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Many hands makes light work. Now, what Michael Jordan says, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is the progress. Working together is a success. Here are some pictures which shows the work cannot be accomplished by one. It requires more than one. So, let us have an introduction to the teamwork. The Napoleon Hill said, "It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed." First of all, we need to know what is a team. Together everyone achieves more. Communication plus cooperation between two or more persons give the success. Now, what is a team? When two or more individuals with high degree of interdependence geared towards the achievement of a goal or the completion of the task of the work. Now, the team makes the decision, solve the problems, provide support to each other, accomplish the mission by planning their work. When two or more persons come together to accomplish the mission with a great planning, they are interdependent on each other by their talency. They use their talency and achieve the goal. A group of people who share a common name, mission, history, set of goals or objectives and expectation. A team performance includes both individual result and what we call collective work product. Here is the opportunity to show a person their individual talency, understand the things clearly, and show the results. A collective work product is what two or more members must work on together, reflect the joint, real contribution of the team. What makes a good team? When between the 6 to 10% members, the knowledgeable people from all relevant departments should be collected. A clear, documented, a purpose must be. What makes a good team? Between the team, there should be the mutual trust, which is the most important. There should be the mutual support. There should be the good communication, clear communication, effective communication. The team objective should be clear and all have the depth of knowledge to get that objectives. There should be the conflict, but the solution should be at that time only. That should be solved positively. What makes a good team? An open, pleasant environment. Well planned and structured meeting. The support of the superiors. Now, what are the benefits of the good team building? Now, the goals and accomplishments are more realized through a team effort. A team offers both the leaders and individual support and encouragement of one another. A team by its very nature increases communication very fast. Now the problem solving becomes far more effective because all team members can offer ideas from their own experience. The team works closely together and encourages the communication. There is rarely a concern over conflicts. Each member of the team clearly understands the objectives and expectations of both the team and its individual members. Within a well-built team, members are motivated and inspired to achieve goals and maintain high level of productivity. That is the positive thinking and attitude will help to achieve the goals. Success within the team offers opportunities for rewards and recognition on the two levels from both individual and team accomplishment. Teamwork encourages disciplined work habit. Teamwork and productivity go hand in hand. Thank you.